Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing a needle with an eye that suits your thread. A thicker thread needs a larger eye. Once chosen, trim the thread tip to a clean 45-degree angle and moisten it briefly to hold fibers together. Next, you insert the thin wire loop of the threader through the needle eye from the front. Make sure the loop passes fully through so the wire clears the far side. This sets you up to pull the thread cleanly without forcing or splintering the needle. Once the wire loop is through the eye, slide about 1 to 2 inches of thread through that loop so you have control without bulk. Then, with one hand steadying the needle, you pull the threader back gently and steadily through the eye. Make sure not to twist the wire or yank, because sudden force can bend the needle or shred the thread. When the thread emerges on the front side, stop when you have approximately 1/2 inch to 1 inch of tail for easy starting. To finish, trim any excess tail to your preferred length and begin stitching or tie a small knot if the project requires it. Make sure the thread sits flat in the eye. Once done, put the threader away in a case so the wire stays straight and reliable. If you encounter resistance, stop and inspect the needle eye for burrs or damage. Often switching to a finer threader wire or a slightly thicker thread tip solves the issue without harming your needle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.